In this video you will learn how to connect a Wi-Fi network. Please make sure an external antenna is connected before starting. First log in using your SolarEdge monitoring platform credentials. Then tap Sign In. Scan the inverter barcode. Move the on/off P switch to P and release within 5 seconds. SetApp creates a Wi-Fi access point connection to the inverter. Tap Continue. In order to connect to a selected Wi-Fi network, go to the commissioning screen and tap Communication. Tap Server and then select Wi-Fi. Tap Wi-Fi. Please make sure the external antenna is connected and press Confirm. Select the required network. Enter the password to access the Wi-Fi network, then tap Join. Tap OK and wait few seconds till the message Connected will be displayed. You are connected now to Wi-Fi. Go back to the commissioning screen, and tap Status. Scroll to Communication and check the Wi-Fi connection status. Now you're done. Tap Disconnect from Inverter at the bottom of the commission page. Congratulations! The Wi-Fi configuration is now complete.